How can you use Descript? In this video, we'll dive into that and more. Welcome to TechTuned, your AI-focused YouTube channel. Here you'll find the latest topics and tutorials related to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Now, let's get started. What is Descript? Descript is a comprehensive audio and video editing tool that you can use to record and edit audio and video files. Whether you're a podcaster, video creator, or musician, Descript can help you take your content to the next level. A great thing about Descript is that it is easy to use. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, and you can quickly learn to use all the software features. One of the most unique features of Descript is its ability to transcribe audio and video files. With this feature, you can quickly and easily transform your podcasts and videos into written text, making editing and refining your content easier. To edit, you can simply edit the transcript of your audio or video. You can also use Descript to add background music and sound effects to your audio or video files. With Descript, you can also make screen recordings, transcribe them, and edit them if required. With remote recording, you can record your podcast guest and transcribe and edit the recordings. Another great feature of Descript is its collaboration tools. You can easily share your audio and video files with your team, allowing them to make edits and revisions in real time. This makes working with a team or collaborating with others on your content creation projects easy. Installation. Descript is working on a web version of the tool, and a beta version is available. For now, you have to install it on your computer. The installation process is straightforward, and you should be able to get started in no time. Before installing Descript, make sure your computer meets the system requirements. The system requirements depend on the operating system. For details, please refer to the help documentation on the Descript website. To install Descript, first download the installer for your operating system. Click to unpack it, and then double-click the installer app to launch and begin installation. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, the installation can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few hours. After installation is completed, sign in or create an account. Now you're ready to start using Descript. Use the free plan to get a feel for what the software can do. Paid plans for Descript start at $12 per user per month. Navigating the interface. To use Descript, you will need to familiarize yourself with the interface. When you first open Descript, you will be taken to the dashboard. There, you will see a list of your recent projects and the option to create a new project. You can also access your account settings and help documentation from the dashboard. Drives. Descript uses drives to organize projects and recordings. For collaboration, you can add team members to each drive. You can also purchase additional drives for different projects and requirements. Within each drive, you can use folders to organize your projects and content further. Creating a project. Let's say you want to work on audio or video content. The easiest way is to create a new project and import an audio or video you want to work on. From Drive View, click on the New Project button. Select a name for your project and you're ready to go. The next step is importing your media. You can do this either by clicking on Choose a File to transcribe and selecting the file by dragging and dropping the file into the project script editor. Descript supports 23 languages and will start automatic transcription. A pop-up on the screen lets you select the transcription language and the number of speakers for each file. You can do this process for a single media file or multiple files. Descript uses advanced algorithms to transcribe your audio accurately, but reviewing the transcription and making any necessary edits is always a good idea. You can always use Descript's editing tools to remove filler words, add punctuation, and more. In addition to AI-powered automatic transcription, Descript offers white glove transcription, a premium human-powered service charged at $2 per minute of audio content. Transcriptions take between 1 and 3 business days to process. And that's it. You have now created a project in Descript and transcribed your audio or video. Editing. Once the transcription is ready, you can start editing. The editing panel is divided into 3 sections. The script panel allows you to edit your media by editing and correcting the transcript. You can also add comments for yourself or your team. The canvas allows you to change visuals for scenes in your videos. The timeline shows your media over time and allows you to make edits and fine adjustments. Overall, the Descript interface is intuitive and easy to use. With a little practice, you can navigate the interface and edit your media files like a pro. You can use the timeline to visually identify sections of your audio or video, and then use the editing tools to cut, copy, and paste those sections. Descript also offers several other basic editing tools, such as adjusting the volume of your audio or video, adding fades, and applying basic effects like EQ and compression. If you want to take your editing skills to the next level, Descript offers several advanced editing tools to help you achieve professional quality results. Once your file is transcribed, you can edit the text directly, and Descript will automatically update the corresponding audio or video. Descript also offers many advanced effects and tools, such as noise reduction, pitch correction, and time stretching. These tools can help you clean up your audio and video and achieve a polished final product. Exporting. In addition to editing tools, Descript also offers several collaboration features, which allow you to share your projects with others and work together in real time. After completing your work in Descript, you can export it to share it with others or use it in other applications. Descript provides several export options to satisfy varying needs and workflows. You can export content to multiple audio, video, image, and text formats. If you want to use another tool for editing, you can export your timeline. You can also publish content directly to multiple supported platforms, such as YouTube, or to podcast hosting services. To start, click on the Publish button at the top right corner of the editor and select the desired file type or platform. From the Publish tab, you can publish directly to various platforms. From the Export tab, you can select options for exporting directly to your computer. Make the appropriate settings, and finally, click on the Export or Publish button at the bottom of the panel. Sharing. In addition to exporting your work, you can also share your entire project with others. Descript generates a web link for each project. You can copy this link and share it with your team. To get the link, click the Project Access icon on your open project and then click the Copy Link. This is a private link, which will only work for you and people with access. The access level is configurable. You can permit comments, viewing, or full access. Note that sharing a project gives others access to the entire project, including all media files and edits. Make sure only to share your project with trusted individuals. And there you have it. Descript, its features, how you can set up projects, import and transcribe files, make edits and export and share them. Thank you for watching the video and sticking with us till the end. Leave your thoughts, questions, and feedback in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.